Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the profile picture in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our feed. From the home menu we have to go into the saved menu, and then in the top right corner there is a little cog which we tap. We can go into the settings, and then in the settings we tap on edit profile, and then in the top of the screen we tap on edit again, and then we can update our profile picture and select a picture from our gallery. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.